Hi, I'm Margret. In this video I want to introduce you to Varargs. Varargs allow you to pass a variable number of arguments to a method. Let's look at an example. Here I have a method called sum. Notice the three dots right after my type. They're called an ellipse. The type in combination with the ellipse indicate that this method can accept a variable number of arguments. Inside the method body, my parameter numbers is treated just like an array. If I change the method header and I passed an integer array instead of int ... my method body would not change at all. So what difference does it make whether I declare my method sum1 with an integer array or I declare a method sum2 with variable arguments? The difference is the way you call the method. Let's assume I have an integer array. I call it iArray, and it is initialized with three values, 2, 3, and 4. I could pass my iArray to either method. I can say sum1 pass iArray or sum2 and I pass iArray. However, if I would like to pass the array elements directly to my method, separated by commas, I could do that in the case of method do, where I declared my parameter with the ellipse. I cannot do that when I declare my parameter with an integer array. So my Varargs give me flexibility in the way I can use my method. When should we use Varargs? As a client, we should use Varargs whenever the API offers it. So in the Java API, we have, for example, system out printf, string format, also some situations that have to do with reflections where we have the opportunity to use a variable number of arguments. As an API designer, we should be cautious with the use of Varargs and use them only when the advantage is truly compelling. There's one more thing I want to point out, because there's one important restriction. Varargs can be used only in the final argument position. That implies that the ellipse can be used only with the last parameter, and also that only one parameter can be declared with the ellipse.